I'm going to try to relocate the factory front license plate on the Bronco to the base of the bumper. So there are two screws here. I'm going to first take this one out and see if I can relocate them. So the dealer did a horrible job with the license plate holes. This looks really messy to patch up. These are the screws that's holding the license plate holder in place. So this holder, the way it is cut, it fits just fine with this shape of the bumper. On the base Bronco, there's no radar, that's just a dummy. So I'm just gonna try to screw this thing into this plastic bumper as it is. Just drill two holes into the front of the plastic bumper. I'm gonna use these same factory screws and put the license plate holder back in. Okay, so the license plate holder fits perfectly. The shape also aligns with the bumper on both sides. The only thing is this tab doesn't stick into this bumper because it's made to stick onto this, but that's okay. This thing is not going anywhere. So if somebody wanted to do a license plate relocation to the bottom of their front bumper, there it is. Ciao.